What's the meaning of Alice Springs? Alice Springs. Alice Springs. Alice Springs. Alice Springs. Alice Springs.
Alice Springs is a town located in the heart of Australia's Northern Territory. The town was named after Alice Todd, wife of Sir Charles Todd, who was the Superintendent of Telegraphs and Postmaster of South Australia. Originally known as Stewart, the town was renamed Alice Springs in 1933. Today, Alice Springs is known for its rich indigenous culture, stunning natural landscapes, and as a gateway to Australia's iconic Red Centre. It is also a popular tourist destination and a hub for exploring the outback.